For installation on a hook arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Position the blade so the curved end of the connector slides into the hook shape of the arm. Rotate the blade slightly and pull up until you hear a click sound, or you see that the hook is past the locking tab. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It is always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Rotate the blade slightly. Push down on the blade to unlock. Completely remove the blade from the arm.